Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing and importing your dataset so calculations stay accurate. Start by standardizing headers and formats, dates as YIMMDD and numbers without commas. Use file import or functions like import data and import range to centralize data from CSVs or other sheets. Once done, run trim, value, and substitute to clean whitespace and text formatted numbers, and use remove duplicates. This saves time later and ensures formulas and charts behave consistently when you move to analysis. You now apply statistical functions to draw insight. Calculate mean, median, and mode. SNGL to compare central tendency. Use SDDev, S, and var. S for variability so you understand dispersion. Use percentile to identify thresholds and MIN/MAX for bounds. Once you need conditional slices, combine filter or query with aggregation, or build a pivot table to summarize groups quickly. Make sure to lock ranges with $ when copying formulas, and add helper columns for calculated fields you finish by turning numbers into trustworthy visuals and checks. Build histograms and box plots through the chart editor or add-ons to reveal distribution and outliers. Add a trend line for regressions. Use linist, slope, and intercept to extract regression parameters and display predicted values in a helper column. Once done, validate by sampling rows, recomputing key metrics with independent formulas, and checking for NA or div/0 errors. If a value looks wrong, rerun cleaning steps and inspect source ranges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.